It's inevitable. Bumps from shopping carts, dings from car doors, and other small mishaps will damage and devalue your beautiful new car. Protect your investment from the common dents and dings that are caused by the wear and tear of everyday driving. Designed by the automotive engineering community, Paintless Dent Repair permanently removes door dings and minor dents without harming your vehicle's factory finish. And repairs can be completed at your home, your office, or the dealership. Protect your vehicle today.